You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this expression from Latin correctly. If you want to learn more confusing, useful Latin expressions and legal terms, make sure to stay tuned. Meaning of the utmost or perfect good faith. There are different pronunciations, including in English, but let's start with the Latin pronunciation. Uberrimae. Uberrimae, actually, Uberrimae would be Latin. Uberrimae. Uberrimae fidei. Now, in English, it's normally pronounced either Uberrimae, Uberrimae fidei, Uberrimae fidei, or Uberrimae fidei, and any combination. So you can say Uberrimae fidei or Uberrimae fidei as well. Essentially, the first syllable can be pronounced either U or U, and the last syllable of the first word can be pronounced either may or me. So, Uberrimae fidei or Uberrimae fidei. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.